we are going to listen to a story of a farm animal. Which farm animal is in my hand? Goats. Okay, how many goats do I have? 2 goats. You all also have 2 goats? Very nice. So, one day, say with me, one day, 2 goats lived on a hill. Strong goat, weak goat. One morning, the strong goat woke up, came down the hill, crossed the bridge, ate the grass, nom 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 nom, and went back to the hill. The next day, the weak goat got up, came down the hill, crossed the bridge, ate the grass, nom 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 nom, and went back to the hill. Next morning, both the goats woke up and came down the hill. And what did they do? The strong goat said, I will go first. The weak goat said, I will go first. The strong goat said, I will go. And they both fell down in the water. Is this a good end to the story, children? Is it a good end? Shall we change the end of the story? Take your goats. So the next morning, the strong goat and the weak goat came down to the bridge. The strong goat said, I will wait. You go and eat your grass. So the weak goat went and ate the grass. How? And went back to the hill. Then the strong goat came and ate the grass and went back to the hill. So from that day, the 2 goats were good friends. Yes. Did they fight? When they fought, what happened? They fell into the water. Yes. But the strong goat decided to help the weak goat and go and eat the grass first. Okay. So children, what is the moral of the story? We should not fight. We should think and we should understand each and every one. And we should find solution. And we should be helpful to each other. Okay? Did you like the story? Yes. Say bye-bye to the goats. Okay. Done.